Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so pumped for today's video because we are going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix order. So anyways, really quick before we do get started, and I'll hop into what I'm talking about and everything like that. But if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then every Monday, we do mail hauls. And make sure that you do not forget to click the bell notification so you're notified as soon as a video goes live. But honestly, I'm so excited to start this video because I want to know what I got, so let's dive in. Okay, so if you guys do not know what Stitch Fix is, they are basically almost like a subscription company, and you pay a $20 fee every month, and it's a styling fee. So you have like your own assigned stylist, and they'll pick out different clothing items for you, and then they actually get mailed to you, which is so exciting. So the way that it works is your box will contain 5 different items, and those items can be like jeans or pants or shirts or accessories. I think they even do shoes and stuff like that. And you can pick kind of like what your price range is as far as like what you like spending on a top or a pair of shoes or a shirt or like pants, and they try to like go by those recommendations. You can also tell them what kind of styles you like. So last month was the first month that I did Stitch Fix, and honestly, I really wanted to film it like my first time ever unboxing a Stitch Fix, but I was so freaking excited because I love surprises so much that I literally like busted open the packaging within like 5 minutes of coming home, so I didn't really get to film it. But today I'm home and I'm filming, and the box just came today, so we are going to open it up. Now, the first month is almost kind of like a fill you out month. Like, they want to get a sense of the style that you like, and you can tell them like, hey, this didn't really work. This is kind of like what I liked and didn't like about the box. So I had some really cute items in my first box, and honestly, they listened to my recommendations of what I wanted, like to a T. I asked for big chunky sweaters, but I'm not like a super small girl by any means. And what I found is the chunkier sweaters, they made me look a little bit more chunky. So yeah, I really did like the box, but I ended up not keeping anything just because, I don't know, I just felt like I looked a little bit bigger in the sweaters because they were a chunkier material. But again, that's what I asked for. So when you get the box, and I have not opened it up all the way yet, this is kind of what it looks like, and it says, thanks for letting us style you. Now, if you do decide to keep any of the pieces in the box, they'll take the $20 fee that you paid for the styling of the box off of your item. So let's say you have a $60 item, then you'll only pay $40 for it. They normally send you something like this, and it will have suggestions on how you can style the clothes that are in your box. And then they'll have something that says, thanks for letting us style you, and it will have the price total if you wanted to buy all the items or what they are like separate and individual. So there's that. And I think last time my person even wrote something. Okay, it says, hey Danielle, happy Fix Day. I'm so sorry to see that none of the items from Fix number 1 was a home run for you. For this fix, I stuck with fitted bottoms and loose but not oversized top, as you mentioned, being your preferred fit, because I like stuff a little bit more loose. I don't like anything tight around my stomach, and especially not my arms. She put, I also have included some more color in this fix, so you'll have to let me know if I did better for round 2. Start by stepping into these super skinny jeans by Just Black for the base of your outfits. For a classic cozy look, pair the jeans with the Z Supply V-neck top, or opt for the off-the-shoulder cable knit pullover for a more sexy, edgy look. Whichever top you choose, stay warm by accessorizing with a warm tone, colorful infinity scarf. Lastly, I noticed that you wanted a mustard top. I couldn't find any this fix, but I did find a mustard jacket. Do you like XO? And that's basically like a note from my stylist. So let's see what she picked out. And so these are all of the items wrapped up, and then there's one more that's wrapped up. And if you decide not to keep any of the items or all of the items, they actually go ahead and send you like a pre-labeled return envelope, which I think is excellent. I know one thing, these look comfortable and cozy. Okay, so first is the scarf. And I really kind of wish that I would have told them not to do scarves, just because I honestly have so many scarves that I really don't need anymore. But we shall see. So here's what the scarf looks like. It's gonna kind of look a little bit mixed match with what I have on, but I love infinity scarves. So here's this. I feel like she sent me almost more of a casual look, and maybe I should tell her I like more, I don't know, like dressier looks. But this scarf is nice and soft. I mean, it is really pretty. I am purging our entire house, so I know I'll be getting rid of like some scarves and stuff. So here is what the scarf looks like. Let's see how much this retails for. It retails for $28. So that isn't bad. If I decide I wanted to keep it, I basically have to pay $8. So I probably will keep it just because of that, if that's the only thing I end up liking. Okay, the next thing that we have is a Z Supply ribbed knit top. So here's what that looks like. I don't really like shirts that kind of cut down in the front like this. Again, this is just like her, I guess, getting to know my style. But yeah, don't really like shirts that cut down like that. Could be cute. I'll have to try it on and see. And I'm going to go try these on after I film this video. And I'll jump back on like before the end of the video and just let you guys know like what worked and what didn't. Okay, this looks cute. So this is a, ooh, off the shoulders shirt. So it's like a nice material. It feels really thick. There's that. And then she sent over a pair of skinny jeans. And they actually did get my size pretty good last time. You like kind of put in your measurements and everything, but here what the jeans look like. They are a jegging, I believe. I don't know if they're a jegging or not. It says skinny jean. But they feel like a jegging material, like they would be super stretchy. So there's that. And I'm not even telling you guys how much these retail for. Okay, the off the shoulder cow neck is $74. The skinny jeans are $78. The Z Supply top is $64. I probably wouldn't pay this much for these items, honestly, because there's nothing that I feel like I'm like, oh my gosh, I love so much. One thing I wanted to ask for was a like furry jacket. I feel like these are more, I don't know, like casual wear. Okay, so here is the jacket that she sent over. So it doesn't really look like me. I'm gonna go try these on and then I'll be back. Sorry, my hair probably looks a little bit messed up. So I just went and tried on all of the outfits, and in the future, I definitely want to do like a try on haul and stuff like that. But we are in the process of literally clearing out our whole house this weekend. Like we have people coming every single day to pick up furniture and stuff. So the room that I have my big mirror in where you can see my whole outfit, it's occupied. I tried to take some pictures, but I'll be honest, I did not like how anything looked. The jeans I liked. They were really soft, stretchy. They fit well. I don't know if I like them for $74. It's not really something I need. I need more shirts. I love how they have like the little styling guide though that shows you how you can wear them. But if I'm being totally honest, none of these are me. Like they're just not outfits that I would ever choose. They're just too casual or almost like, I don't know. They're not me. So I'm undecided. I think I might end up keeping the scarf only because, again, I only have to pay like $8 for it, so I might as well. And the jeans, the jacket, the gray shirt was way too short. And then the big sweater just made me look, I don't even know what the word is, frumpy, just like, I didn't like it. So hopefully I'm going to keep doing these videos and the boxes are going to get better. If not, obviously I would not keep the subscription. So we will see, but I'll keep you guys updated, and let me know if you have tried this out. What subscription services do you use? And I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.